That's what we are. Sugar babies. Sugar babies. Sugar, sugar, sugar babies. Sugar babies. That's what we are when we in our cars. Sugar baby time. Sugar baby rhyme. Sugar baby time. I ain't never stopping popping everything I do. Calling out my kids cause the babies out of you. When you on that sugar, you don't even know what to do. So I grab my camera and I start recording you. We the sugar babies. Sugar babies. Sugar, sugar, sugar babies. Sugar babies. That's what we are. Sugar babies. Sugar babies. Sugar, sugar, sugar babies. Sugar babies. Yeah, yeah.
What are you doing?
I got slime.
You got slime?
Yeah.
What you got slime for?
Because.
Because what?
Because in mine, and you don't even care about it, and you're
I do care about your slime. I guess I care about your slime.
You
What am I gonna do with slime?
And we're gonna do nothing. We're gonna make that for slime.
You gonna make slime? Remember that game we played earlier?
Oh yeah.
To make the magnet stick on the fridge?
Oh yeah.
Should we play that again?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let's go play it. Come on. That's a cool game, huh?
Yeah.
We're gonna play a game. Playing a game. How to make the magnet that we have. You know the little fridge, little tic tac things that you do?
Yeah.
These bad boys here.
Yeah, you're supposed to do this.
And here. So me and Shaden are gonna make them stick on the fridge. Yeah, Shaden's gonna introduce you to how the game is being played. We're gonna make the magnet stick on the refrigerator. We're gonna throw it in and basically abuse our refrigerator. Abuse it for. Why are you being silly? Are you a silly ranger?
I can't stop laughing.
You can't stop laughing?
Yeah.
Too much sugar today?
Yeah.
Why you can't stop laughing? Why you can't stop laughing? Huh, Shaden? Why you can't?
Because
Shaden lost it, guys. She's speaking different language, speaking in tongues. I don't know what she's talking about. Get away from her. What? What are you doing, silly? What are you doing?
Guys, today, my dad-in-law wanted me, and I said this to Dad. I said that not wanting me, but I want to play the stick-up game on the fridge with this bag in it, and watch this. I did.
You pulling it off, really?
And guys, see, I'm now going to. Guys, I peel this off and then a prank thing. I can't. Guys, my dad didn't want me to play this stick-up game with this magnet on the fridge. You're supposed to roll it on the fridge, then it's supposed to land. It's supposed to get on the fridge. My dad did not want me, guys.
So Shaden peeled all our little magnets off. So now we have these little stick-up things, and we're gonna play what can stick on the refrigerator.
Yeah.
So we have this magnet that's gonna use this one. Shaden's gonna use this one. Or which one you want to use, Shaden? So she's picking that one, and I'm picking this one. So we're gonna play whoever can stick to the refrigerator 3 times wins. So no, let's do 5 times for fun. Who cares? 5 times. Shaden, you wanna go first?
Yeah.
So she's gonna stand. She's gonna stand, guys, right there, and I'm gonna stand
Right.
back here, and we're gonna see which one can hit the refrigerator.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. You lose. You
So,
supposed to
all right.
throw it.
So Shaden goes first. You go 1 time, and Daddy goes. So she has 0 right now, and I have 1. And I'm gonna try to throw it on the board. Ah, couldn't make it stick. Ah. So now Shaden's turn. Daddy turn now. Ah, 0-0. Nobody made it stick yet. No, that don't count. I'm practicing. Okay, she got that. Now watch Daddy and his art. no look past to the refrigerator. Okay, Shane got one too. Now my turn. Now my turn. Let's see. Let's see. Kiss it. Kiss it. Ah, no!
You almost win.
Okay. Can you make it stick? Let me see. Can I do it now? Oh, I did it, Shaden. Look. 2. Hey, flower for me. A tree. Say hi. Sugar baby's in the house. Shia, I think we should do a challenge. How was school?
Cool.
You had fun?
This was talking about trees.
What kind of trees you guys are talking about?
This is a pine tree like all the
That's
rest of the trees that we have over here.
Oh, do they have leaves all winter and summer?
Daddy, I can see 1,000
They lose their leaves?
No, they don't lose their leaves. They have
You
their
can see
leaves.
1,000 of me? That's a lot. Like a spider eyes, huh? Is that supposed to be like a spider eye?
No. Yeah, it's supposed to.
Good. Me and Shaden playing a cool game. Look, let me show you the game with me and Shaden playing.
Is this to this bag?
Yeah, it fits the refrigerator.
Yeah, see?
Right.
This game.
Shaden goes first. And I go second. Look.
How? Wait, that is cheating.
How?
You have the strongest one. You're never
How come you can't do it then?
How?
How come you can't do it?
It's your part all the way.
Okay, so you do it then.
And you go like,
Oh, no. All right, do it again. Do it again. Here. I stand way over here. I stand way back here. And
I probably can do it.
Do it.
Ah.
That's right.
This one.
Nope.
Can I try with you guys?
What? Sorry, Shaden. Stop. Beginner's luck. Your turn, Shaden.
I should wash my hands because I've been digging.
Yeah, go wash your hands.
I did it. Daddy, what? And I just got it wrong. I did it! Guys.
Good job, you two. I'm so proud of these two right here. Look at this two. His big brother is reading to his little sister. Isn't that something? You like the book, Shaded? Thank you, Shays. Shays, good job. Way to incorporate your sister. Way to be a big brother. I'm proud of you, okay? Not fighting Shaden and actually getting along with her and reading her a book. A good book, too. High five, both of you. High five? High five.
Wow. And I'll put. And
I'm cool with that, you know what I mean? So,
ready.
feel me?
Because I promise there's questions and 5 answers.